an exciting machine that we're debuting here at ConExpo is the new NV55 broom. Well, you might wonder what makes this broom so special. Well, it's a hybrid of brooms of sorts. It's got the strength and muscle of a Challenger. We've got Challenger pumps, motors, axles in the broom and in the engine, which makes it as powerful of a machine for pushing millings, dirt, whatever you need as the old Challenger. It's got the RB50 cab in this unit that makes it very comfortable for even new operators to drive because of all the ergonomic layouts. But the best thing we've got is two brand new features, which I'll show you right now. If you'll look at the front of this machine, you'll notice that the brush sits at an 18 to 22 inches away from the wheels. That means you can get into the mill cuts next to the curbs without your tires rubbing onto those and wearing out your tires. And a great new feature coming out later this year, but we're showing it here at ConExpo, is the self-loading broom feature. This is great because the operator can drop the broom from the cab, reach and pick up a new broom with little work on his side. What another great feature is we've got adjustments here, so you can use a 7 foot 6 inch or an 8 foot broom without changing the head. All you need to do is change the sections on your adjustment. This is a great broom for any kind of contractor that needs a high performance broom. And the great thing about it is this is priced very competitive, more competitive than some of our competitors in the field. The second feature that most operators will notice that's new on this machine is the ergonomic cab. As you'll notice, very easy to get up into the cab. And once you're in the cab, easy adjustment of the steering wheel allows the operator to drive at any position that's most comfortable for him. Air condition, of course, is an option here, along with all the ergonomic controls. Brush controls are conveniently located in the forward and reverse here on the throttle, and engine controls right here on a color display, as with all Lieboy equipment. You've also got everything within arm's reach, your brush down pressure, brush increase and decrease. It also has an option for forward and reverse rotation of the broom on this one. Something new we've done again with this machine is put a vent right here in the operator station, so you can adjust the mirrors without getting in and out of the machine. Also, we've got an option for OSHA approved HEPA filters for those high silica installations that you may run into. So I think you'll find that the operator is quite comfortable here in the new NV55 broom. Lastly, on the NV55, you may be wondering about the power pack. Well, we've taken the HOTS liquid cooled engine, same as we're running in the Sweet Pro and with the RB50. The great part about this HOTS power plant, number one, it's 100% reliable, no problems in the field. Number two, even though it's a Tier 4 final engine, there is no DPF and no DEF. That means no DEF fluid, no regen. Run it just like you did a Tier 3 engine. You'll find that all of the service points are very easy to get to on this machine, where the power plant not only is reliable and robust, it's easy to service.